Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how to make simple, fast quesadillas. What you're going to need to make these quesadillas is a plate, 4 tortillas, doesn't matter what you use, doesn't matter the size. These are some old El Paso Shops tortillas. They're good. That's what I'm using. You're gonna want a cheddar cheese, any cheese really. 2 cheeses is really good. Maybe a mozzarella on that, but use what you got. And water. Not for anything here, just a drink. So first thing you're gonna want to do is take this, and because I didn't prepare this beforehand, open that. Okay, once you've opened this, take the cheese, apply. What you're gonna do then here, you're gonna take your, just gonna set that on top. But wait, you're not, because you remember that you have probably here, yeah, bacon. So we need this. We're just gonna sprinkle that shit on there. Now take that, put it right there. We're gonna adjust it, kind of like that. Get it all the way over there. Get everything sitting nicely. Take that one like that. Okay. We're just kind of move our stuff around here. Oh yeah. I'm watching myself do it in my phone screen. Let me take some of my bacon bits. Not the little pack though. You don't want to eat that. That's probably not good for you. Alright, take that. Boom. Then you get your microwave open. It's microwaved. It's simple, It's something. Then you microwave it for I don't know, 40 seconds maybe. Fuck it. It's a good time to drink some water. I'll be real with you. Have a little sip. Yep. So that's the microwave, in case you were wondering. Fuck. Alright. Showtime. And you take it, right? So you're looking, ooh, melty cheese everywhere. Melty cheese everywhere? Wrong. So we're gonna pull a little bit of an expert level move here, okay? Melty cheese, no. So we're gonna go like this. Bam, right? Melty cheese, no. So you're just gonna hit it like that, and fucking like that maybe, and then just a little bit. So just a little bit of time. There you go. If I was fast enough to stop recording, 1 second, move real quick, record again, it'd be like it never happened. Probably. There. Now you have microwaved quesadillas with bacon. Enjoy.